Anthony Albanese has given his first major speech as Prime Minister since Labor secured that thumping 94-seat majority. The Prime Minister was outlining what he would like to do next term, and basically it's building on what he did last term, and then looking forward, I guess, to the possibility of a third term. So we're talking about moving along the idea, this legacy idea of universal childcare. It's about net zero and realising those commitments. It's about hospitals and the universal Medicare system being built upon and strengthened. But what's coming up on the horizon is the trip to Canada and the United States and Fiji, the possibility of a sit down with Donald Trump, who's busy over in the United States. When the Prime Minister was asked about Indigenous affairs, there was an interesting juxtaposition with the unfortunate cases of Indigenous deaths in custody. The Prime Minister was asked, would he be considering some form of intervention? At this point, the Prime Minister said, well, this is not something that I would just do to just send in the AFP. I would have to be convinced it's not a good idea and that it's not something that could get out of hand. So really interesting juxtaposition there with Donald Trump without mentioning him by name.